Okay, this is 2014 Highlander, and I'll show you how to replace the battery. Look, there's one bowl here, two bowl there, but this bowl hook up to a rod, and down there, so right there. So when you loosen it, this thing will come off. Okay, you need a 10 mm socket, one of these wrench. So first thing I want to do is loosen the bowl. And also loosen this one. Okay, the whole thing's loosened already. Second thing is right there. It's the 10 mm. So this one will come off. And then the positive side. Same thing. The other way. Also come off. This whole piece come off. See, by taking the whole piece out, you don't have to worry about there. You just hook up to that hole, like kind of tight to get it out. So now I don't have to worry about getting this piece out. Some people take this piece out, I don't. So now I can make sure this is away from the positive, and you can just leave up the whole thing. Put the battery back. Make sure the red for the positive. Here, set positive. Go to the positive. negative. Go to the negative. These things. So we go like this, remember? The whole matches it. And this one. And then the other bolt goes in here. Easier to use this one first. You try to put this, sometimes it's not exactly the width, try to put it in between this. See, mine has some gap. So if the battery is not wide enough, so have some gap, make sure that when you adjust this, make sure they go in between, approximately in between, in the center. Okay. Put the porosity back. You don't need to be too tight, otherwise you will break. It won't come off. Put the cover back. Put the negative back. If you go all the way down. Okay, tight enough. And check. The lights on. And make sure you set the clock right there.